In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your farm's finances by tracking income and expenses by category, utilizing inventory for crops or livestock, and customizing accounts as needed. Managing finances can often seem daunting, but with the right tools and systems in place, it can actually become a seamless part of your farm operations. Let's break it down. Starting with how to track income and expenses by category. The first step is setting up your income and expense categories. These categories help you organize all the money that comes in and goes out, whether it's from selling your crops, purchasing supplies, or any other financial transactions related to your farm. Common income categories might include crop sales, livestock sales, or government subsidies. On the expense side, you might have seed purchases, feed expenses, or equipment maintenance costs. Categorizing these streams allows you greater visibility into the financial health of your operations and helps identify areas where you might trim costs or invest further. Next, let's talk about inventory. Keeping track of your inventory is crucial not just for taxes and accounting, but for overall farm management. Whether you're focused on crops, livestock, or a combination, having a real-time inventory helps you make informed buying and selling decisions. For crops, inventory management can include details like quantities harvested, amounts sold, and remaining stock. For livestock, tracking can involve head count, sales per head, and feed consumption. By maintaining up-to-date records, you can project future yield and profitability more accurately and ensure that all your resources are used efficiently. Now let's move on to customizing accounts. Every farm is unique, and having the flexibility to customize accounts according to your specific needs can be incredibly beneficial. This customization can mean adding new categories, designing specific reports, or adjusting the tracking parameters to suit your management style. For example, you might choose to create separate accounts for different fields or herds to compare performance. This tailored approach provides you broader insights and can help you strategize better for the coming seasons. And finally, a few tips to wrap up. Consistency is key in financial tracking. Regularly update your records to keep them accurate and useful. Software tools designed specifically for farm management can be invaluable, automating much of the process while providing data that can guide decision making. It's also beneficial to review your categories and customize your accounts at least annually or whenever significant